We're sitting here laughing because
bow before the ninja master.
he's bowing. He's bowing before the kitty, and it's like bow before Prince Mickey. I don't know. What is it? I wonder if he's ever even seen a cat before.
Bow before Prince Mickey.
Like a tiny petite version of the dog. Minus the barking.
Gretel, she's just chill. She's like, don't you even think about hurting that kitty. I bet you if a dog tried to hurt the cat, she'd jump into action.
Want me inside or still on you?
Well, it's better than on my face like now.
Look at Mick.
How I feel, Mick?
Well, he's not afraid, which is a good sign.
Bow before the ninja master.
I'm behind dog.
He's like, I want to get away from him. He's scaring me a little bit.
Scared you? It's okay. It's okay.
Well, so what's the big deal? That's okay. No big deal.
Maybe pull Greta aside so that, because she might be blocking him a little.
Come here, Greta.
The kitty's not gonna hurt you. It's okay.
Yeah, well, I don't know about that.
Didn't have any front claws.
It's like, can I hide behind you?
Okay.
Will you save me from that scary thing over there?
Well, if he's cat friendly, that's even a double plus. Mick's like, okay, come on now. How many times do we got to do this?
What's up, man?
So it's really good he's respectful of the kitty. Pick him up, Shannon. And
Come on, Mick. Come here, Mick.
oh, how sweet. Yeah, this guy's been around kids, it looks like.
Good boy. Good boy. Okay.
I wish when these owner surrenders, or in this case was a confiscation, they'd had conversation with these people if they would just ask the questions about, you know, whether they're cat friendly or not, and, you know, get their names and just the different stuff. It's I don't understand. How can you work in an animal care industry and not ask these questions? I guess just because then you don't get personalized with the animal. That way if you euthanize it, who cares? You didn't know anything about the animal, you know? I don't know. But this is a common thing in all the shelters, and
Come here, Mick.
you know, if the animals end up going to rescue, whether it's a pit bull or it's a chihuahua or it's a German shepherd, we have some information we can gather, and it makes our job a little easier for placement. If the dog's got problems, then we can work with the dog. He's like, I fear, I have trepidation. Aw, he's pretty, isn't he?
You're a sweetheart, little boy. You're a sweetheart. He reminds me of Halo.
Mm-hmm.
That kind of same markings on top of his head.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like a band.
Hey, kitty's
Yep.
okay. Kitty's okay. Maybe not. Maybe kitty's not okay.
I don't know. This is making me nervous. All right, I think we have a cat friendly.
Exit.
Where's the exit?
He's probably looking like he's looking for. Where's the exit?
Mickey was just letting him know. You just watch your P's and Q's, buddy boy.
Yeah, I am Ninja Master.
Mickey's getting his entertainment. He's like, yeah, I haven't done this in a while, you guys. It's been, what, a month or better? There was a while we were doing them pretty frequently, like, you know, a couple times a month at least. So good boy. All right, so we're going to take Ryker back outside. He is one handsome fella. And this is going to mean a whole lot for you, buddy.
Bow before the ninja master.
This is so funny. That was a cute one. Good deal. Gretel just can't hardly keep her eyes open.